guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Jessica J. And to my returning subscribers, hello, how are you? So I just want to say thank you to all you guys who come on my channel and like my videos, share my videos, interact with me, follow me on my social media platforms like Instagram, which my name on there is MyJessicaJ. Thank you so much for your support. You guys are really the ones that are keeping this channel going, so I really appreciate your support a lot. So today we're gonna go to Homegoods. If you guys are still into the Homegoods videos, the shop with me is because you guys know I like shopping. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel a lot. And yeah, let's go shopping. So I'm looking for a big piece of art. So we're gonna see what they have. I've been seeing these crystals at Homegoods a lot lately. I don't know what kind of crystal it is, but it kind of looks like coral to me. Whenever I go into a Homegoods, I have to look at the vases. I have to see what kind of vases they have. I don't have a problem spray painting them as long as it's the right shape and the right size. But yes, they have some gems at Homegoods, you guys. Don't skip out on that section. You can use these as bookends on your countertop or shelf. I've been seeing that a lot lately at Homegoods. And they're already bringing out the Christmas decor. I really like these candlestick holders right here. They were massive and I could just picture these outside on a nice patio set, you know, have the candles going and just have that vibe. Yes. So I thought I was gonna get this piece of art and then it kind of looks like a ghost with his arms up. So I just couldn't unsee it at that point and yeah, it stayed there. If you guys are looking for something like this and you see it at Homegoods, pick it up because this thing was $40 and it sells for over $100 at Williams-Sonoma. I did actually pick it up, but I took it back because I thought it just looked a little cluttered in my kitchen, but it is so cute. I thought this cookbook would make a really good gift idea for someone who is a Chrissy Teigen fan. I kind of regret leaving it behind, but I am going to be looking out for that book. Only $12.99 too. Okay, we're back. So I actually went to 3 different HomeGoods in the span of a few days because I was looking for really large wall art that I can either keep and hang up or just paint over. It's just cheaper to just buy something massive that's already framed at HomeGoods, or even cheaper if you can find it at Ross, and then just paint over it. I actually created this picture behind me, and that is one of the items that I did get. When I found it at HomeGoods, it was all right. It was black and white, so I'm like, let me get it. And then there was like this shiny patch on top, so I did spackle that and paint over in black. And then it ended up being just too busy for me, so I did paint over it like this, and I really love how it came out. I didn't really originally like it because I think that it was just printed on and not painted, which kind of looked a little, I don't know. I don't want to say cheap, but not custom or like a one-of-a-kind art piece. So I just went over it and kept going over and over it, and then I ended up with this. And I really like how it came out. Next piece of art that I got is this massive piece right here. It's 4 feet by 4 feet. And this is the wall art that it's gonna be a Sarah Brooke inspired painting. I could not find that painting and I really wanted it. The only thing I was kind of bummed about was I couldn't find a wooden frame. So I did spray paint it black, which I think will be fine and it will still work out. I know a couple of you have mentioned you want to see that DIY project. It's coming. I'm actually gonna start working on it today because it's been sitting up against that wall like that for like the past few days. Next thing I got are these pillows right here. It is a faux fur. I really love the color. Super fall right now, but I really wanted a beige pillow just for everyday use, and I wanted something with some texture. Adding texture to your home really gives that warmth and cozy feeling, which is what fall is all about. So I did pick up these. These are by Adrian. Let me see. I think it's pronounced Lando, and it is a faux fur, but it is really soft, and I think it's really good quality. It does chop, because you guys know we don't do stiff pillows around here. And it was a good price. I think these were, I want to say they were $19.99 or $24.99. So I did get 2 of these. Another thing that I got is this super cozy grandma sweater blanket. Now this kind of gives me more so winter vibes, Christmas vibes, but you know what? Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Who was even paying attention at this point? But no, it's like a really cozy looking blanket. I didn't even notice this little fur detail on the ends until I had it in my cart, which I'm like, you know what? I can get down with a little fur ball. So it looks really good on my couch, which I really need a new couch. It doesn't really fit this house, so I'm just trying to get throw blankets and new pillows to kind of freshen it up and give it a new look until I get my new couch. I also picked up this bouquet of preserved stems. This was $16.99. I thought this was such a great deal because I can use different stems in different vases instead of buying each stem from Michael's. Not only that, these are not faux, they're actually preserved stems. So there's really no beating actual plants. And I love how they're preserved, so I don't have to worry about putting them in water or anything like that. And I'm hoping I can save these for years to come. I don't know. We're gonna try though. And the last thing I got are these coasters. Now these coasters are made of marble. These were $9.99. Natural product, marble. Yes, I thought they were made of slate. It kind of looks like slate, but no, it's marble. Some pieces look more marble-y than others, but I just really needed some more coasters. For some reason, I can't keep a set of 4. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. I have a 2-year-old, so I needed some more coasters. So that is everything that I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to come back on Monday, you guys. Mondays are my normal upload days. I have been uploading 2 videos a week this past month. And hopefully I can keep that up. I am in school. It gets kind of challenging, but Mondays are for sure my upload days. And I'm going to do another home tour video, which is part of my home tour series. That video will be up Monday, so don't forget to come back for that and subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed, and hit the bell so you guys don't miss out on that notification and that video once I upload it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name on there is MyJessicaJ, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.